So, dear parent and student, welcome back to Test Prep Card channel. Hope all of you are doing great in your life. We are once again back with one more very important video, and the topic for the video is engineering admission process in the Indian state of Telangana. Okay, so in this video, we will be discussing about all the possible options of getting admission in any of the engineering college in the state Telangana. If you are an Indian candidate, you are a or you are an or you are an NRI candidate. Okay, we will be seeing in detail the process for you, both the candidates, for Indian also and for NRIs also. And the topics apart from this which we will be covering is the important certificates required for Indian as well as NRI candidates. What is the eligibility of the different exams through which you can get admission in these colleges in Telangana. And at last, we will be discussing about the admission procedure. Okay, how you got selected or how you get a seat in any of the particular college. Okay, so let us start the video. First of all, there are three modes of admission in the state of Telangana in engineering stream. Okay, the first one is a national level entrance examination. The first mode through which you can get admission is national level entrance examination. There are almost all the colleges in Telangana which are accepting the score of national level exam, which is a JEE here, joint entrance examination. Firstly, you have to appear for JEE main, and then you have to appear for JEE advanced. Okay, there are about 25 triple ITs, 31 NITs and 23 IITs in India. You get NITs and triple ITs through JEE main, and after qualifying JEE main, you are allowed a chance to you are given a chance to sit in JEE advanced, and through JEE advanced you get a seat in IIT. Okay, so the IIT, NIT or triple IT which is present in Telangana, first of all it is NIT Warangal. Talking about triple IT, it is triple IT Hyderabad, and it is the college in the country which has highest average package, around 25 lakh per annum is the average package of triple IT Hyderabad. So this is the thing to be noted. And the IIT is IIT Hyderabad. So these are the three top colleges in Telangana which are giving admission or providing admission on the basis of JEE main or JEE advanced. Okay, now what is the eligibility for JEE main? The first eligibility is that you should have passed your class 12th with minimum of 75% for general category and 65% of for the reserved categories. Okay, and this criteria is removed from the year 2021 due to the pandemic situation. And for the DASA or CIWG category, you should have a minimum of 60% marks. Secondly, you can attempt JEE main examination consecutively 3 times. Okay, for example, you have attempted it in 2021, you can attempt it in 22, 23, then you can't attempt it in 24. So this is the second eligibility for JEE main. Now for JEE advanced, there is the same eligibility, but you should have qualified JEE main. Okay, for JEE advanced you should have qualified JEE main, and there is a qualifying cutoff for different categories. Okay, so this is the basic thing. Now let us move to the state level entrance examination. What are the state level entrance examination or state level colleges through which you can get admission? So the state level exam is a TSEAMCET, and its full form is Telangana State Engineering Agriculture Medical Common Entrance Test. Okay, so there are more than 30 colleges in Telangana which are providing admission through TSEAMCET. The first college, we will be talking about 4 to 5 best colleges under this examination. So the first one is University of Hyderabad. It is in Hyderabad, obviously. These colleges which I am talking are also providing admission on the basis of JEE main, but they also have one more exam which is state level exam, and the state level exam which I am talking about is only valid in the state of Telangana, not for other state colleges. Okay, the second college is Central Institute of Tool Design. It is also in Hyderabad. The third one is the JNTUH College of Engineering in Karimnagar. And the fourth one is University College of Engineering in Hyderabad. So these are the 4 best colleges under TSEAMCET examination. Okay, now what is the eligibility for TSEAMCET? Almost all eligibility are same. You should have passed your class 12th with physics and maths as compulsory subject, and optional subject from biology, chemistry or computer science. So this is the basic eligibility. Other than this, you should have passed your class 12th with a minimum aggregate of 45%. Okay, so this is the common eligibility for all. Now let us move to the next topic, which is private colleges. Okay, so how private college provide admission in the state of Telangana? So most of the private colleges have their own examination. Okay, all the private colleges have their own examination through which they provide admission on the basis of the rank. Okay, so there are more than 120 private colleges in Telangana. Generally, Telangana is very good place for engineering, and especially Hyderabad in Telangana, there are a lot of engineering colleges, and there are more than 15 streams through which you can pursue your engineering degree in these 120 plus private colleges. Okay, so it doesn't mean that these are private colleges so they do not worth it. I am telling you the private colleges which are some of the best colleges in the country. Okay, so I will be telling you four private colleges. The first one is obviously BITS Hyderabad. Okay, BITS Pilani's Hyderabad campus. It is one of the best college in the country, and it has its own examination which is called BITSET. So if you qualify BITSET with a good rank or good score, you can definitely go to BITS Hyderabad. Then CVR College of Engineering, CMR Engineering College, and the fourth one is Malla Reddy Engineering College in Sikandrabad. So these are the four best private colleges in the Indian state of Telangana. Okay, so this is all about the type of engineering entrance or type of colleges through which you can pursue your engineering degree. Now let us move to the certificates which are required by Indian and NRI candidates in order to sit into counseling. Okay, so the first one is common for all. It is character certificate, domicile certificate, mark sheet of 10th and 12th. It is common for all, but for NRIs one more thing is required, that is passport and valid ID proof. So these are also compulsory. Okay, so these are the common certificates which are required. Other than this, you will be requiring some passport size photographs and all these, but these are the major certificates. Now let us move to the very important and the last topic of the video. Okay, so this is the selection process. So what is the selection process for these colleges? So all the colleges have almost same selection process. Okay, the first step is obviously you have to register for the examination, you have to download your admit card, you have to sit in the examination. Okay, then you will be getting your result. On the basis of your rank, you will be getting seat. How you will be getting seat? You will be applying for the counseling. Okay, all the colleges have their counseling, like the colleges under JEE Main and JEE Advanced, they have their counseling named JOSA counseling. Okay, for state level colleges they have their own counseling, and the private colleges have their own counseling. Okay, so but the steps are same for all. You have to fill the college choice, okay, the branch preference, and according to your preference and according to your rank, you will be allotted a particular college. You have to fill the counseling fee in advance. You have to log that college, and after getting the seat, you have to visit that particular college to report. Okay, so this is the basic process you have to undergo to get a particular seat in a particular college. So hope the video is clear to you. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, consider liking it, consider subscribing the channel for more such content from our side. If you have any doubt, then comment down. Test Prep Card team will be reaching you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot.